Hi class. As we begin our study on running out of time, there are a couple of learning targets that I want you to be aware of. In other words, what are the things that we're going to be studying as we work through our first novel, Running Out of Time? So I wanted to just take a few minutes to describe to you and talk to you about those learning targets. This might be a little bit hard to see, but I will try to make it as clear as possible. All right, so story elements, that's the first thing that we're going to be talking about. And with story elements, we're looking at what are the things that make up a story, any good story. And then we're going to take a look at the plot map and kind of the order and sequence of a plot map. And after we finish running out of time, you should be able to plot the story on a map. And then as we, later in the year, we start talking about writing your own stories, you should be able to plot out your story before, as a pre-writing strategy, before we move into our actual writing piece. All right, and then the next thing I have there is using text evidence. Throughout the story, we are going to be using Study Sync, and on Study Sync there's going to be some related text, meaning some other stories or story excerpts that we're going to be making comparisons between Running Out of Time and the other stories. All right, so they're going to have a common theme, something about them will be similar, which is why we have chosen them, and then we'll be drawing comparisons using text evidence. So those two on our targets there kind of go hand in hand, using text evidence and comparing text. All right, so let's take a closer look now at story elements. So I'm going to pause this video for just a moment so I can break those things down for you, and then we'll get on with today's reading. All right, thanks.